Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, let's power it off by pulling down the notification panel and tapping on this power key right here and selecting power off. Now, once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up together at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. So from here, you can use volume keys to navigate this menu. And you have a couple different options. So you can, as you can see, reboot the device, reboot to bootloader, apply updates from ADB, so that's computer or SD card, wipe data, basically factory reset your device, wipe cache partition, mount /view system, view recovery logs, run some tests, either graphical or local ones, and simply power off the device. Now whatever you will select, you will then confirm it with power key, like so, and that is also how you leave this mode. So let's give it a second and it should boot back up into the Android system. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.